If you see a check engine light in your dash, the temperature gauge rising above normal, a temperature warning light, or if you see steam coming from under the hood, feel reduced power, or smell a funny odor, your vehicle may be overheating. Fact is, several things can cause overheating: low coolant level, a leak in your coolant system, a bad water pump, or a thermostat issue. The result? A toasty motor. Be sure to have routine maintenance to check your coolant levels and top them off if necessary. And check hoses for leaks or cracks. If you see any of the signs, pull over and turn your engine and AC off. Open the hood to allow the engine to cool down. Don't touch anything. It's hot. And schedule service. Call to schedule an appointment to see our factory-trained technicians.